The Bad Checksum, RTC Battery Low, and 0251 set date and time errors on Acer laptops indicate a problem with the CMOS battery. This battery maintains BIOS settings like date and time when the laptop is off. When it fails, the system can't verify settings, leading to these errors on startup. These errors often appear during boot or Windows installation, as shown in this error screen. The root cause is the CMOS battery, a small CR2032 coin cell that powers the BIOS memory. This battery is located inside the laptop, often under the keyboard or motherboard, as seen here. When the battery fails, BIOS can't verify settings, triggering these startup errors. The CMOS battery is a small coin-shaped battery, typically a CR2032 lithium cell, that provides continuous power to your computer's CMOS memory. This battery is installed on the computer's motherboard and maintains power to the CMOS memory chip even when the system is turned off. The CMOS memory stores essential BIOS settings, including system date and time, boot order, and hardware configurations. The battery ensures these settings are preserved when the computer is powered down. When the CMOS battery dies, usually after 5 to 10 years, the BIOS settings reset to defaults. This causes error messages and can prevent the computer from booting properly. Think of the CMOS battery like the battery in a watch that keeps time. Without this constant power, your computer's BIOS settings are lost, requiring manual reset. First, try entering the BIOS setup by pressing F2 or Del during startup. If you can access it, manually set the correct date and time. Save the changes and restart. This might temporarily resolve the issue, but the underlying problem, the failing battery, still needs to be addressed. If it does not hold the set values after a restart, the battery needs replacement. The most effective solution is to replace the CMOS battery. Consult your Acer laptop service manual or online guides like iFixit for specific instructions. The battery is usually located under the keyboard or on the motherboard. A new CR2032 battery typically costs just a few dollars. Exercise caution and avoid static discharge during replacement. In some cases, you might be able to reset the BIOS through software. Acer Care Center, if available on your system, may offer a BIOS reset option. Additionally, community-developed tools like CMOS Deanimator can help reset the CMOS settings directly within Windows. Note that software solutions may not be a permanent fix if the battery is completely dead. To prolong CMOS battery life, avoid letting your laptop sit unused for extended periods. The CMOS battery typically lasts 5 to 10 years, but inactivity can accelerate depletion. Regularly power on the device to allow the battery to maintain its charge through normal operation cycles. Consider rechargeable CMOS battery alternatives for future sustainability, as they reduce electronic waste compared to disposable coin cells. If you plan to store your laptop for a long time, disconnecting the main battery may help preserve the CMOS battery by reducing power drain. If you are uncomfortable disassembling your laptop, seek professional repair services. The CMOS battery may be soldered to the motherboard, requiring specialized tools and expertise. Incorrect handling can cause further damage. Acer's warranty extension program may cover battery replacements for eligible devices, especially for business users with fleet laptops. Looking ahead, newer laptops are increasingly using flash-based UEFI firmware, which eliminates the need for CMOS batteries altogether. This replaces the traditional CR2032 coin cell battery that has powered CMOS memory for decades. Acer's recent models, like the Aspire Vero series, already integrate non-volatile memory for BIOS settings. By 2030, CMOS battery issues are expected to become obsolete in new devices, replaced by solid-state alternatives and smart power management systems. This shift includes AI-assisted diagnostics, predicting battery failures, and rechargeable options to reduce e-waste.